Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got Hachette Partworks, build the Terminator. We're on issue 21 and we're building bits up for the right shoulder and a couple of little bits for the head as well. These are the parts we get. Our assembly pages. Our Sci-Fi Cinema Legends is District 9. This is a very good film. Real World Science is restoring self-functionality in dead pigs' brains. Very nice. And also what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and let's start building. Before I do crack the parts out the packaging, I just thought I'd quickly show you this. If you're a subscriber, this is one of your free gifts. It's a Terminator head keyring. This came with the subscriber specials, so it's not too bad. It's not brilliant. The quality's not too great, but yeah, it's a nice little thing to have. I suppose it's free, so yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys that. Okay, so we've got the parts out of the packaging. We've got this bit which is going to be our right shoulder. It does have an R inside it. It is metal. We get these two pieces which are going to be for the side of the jaw. These are plastic. We get 4 metal pins and we get these plastic ratchet joints and 3 screws. So we're going to need a little bit of glue for this issue, so let's get a little bit of glue ready. If it'll open. And yeah, we're going to be there we go, should be enough. Yeah, so first things first, it's going to want us to have one of these. They are both the same. Get yourself a cocktail stick or something like that, dip it in your reservoir, and you've got these 4 little pins here. You're going to want to put a little dollop of glue around each one. So let's do that now. And once we've done that, it's not too hard to put the glue on. You don't have to use the cocktail stick, it's just I don't want to absolutely smother it in glue. So alright, that's that one. Now we're going to bring in this piece, any size you like, doesn't matter. 4 pins, 4 holes, line it up, give it a little turn till it drops in, and give it a little push, make sure that's in nice. And now what we're going to do exactly the same but for the opposite side, so let's do that now. So that's one bit on, there we go, we're getting these glue bit on now, and then same again, drop that in just like that, and that is that piece done. That's the shoulder, which is very nice. I'll show you the detail on there, it's very nice. I'll show you at the end of the video how that's going to ratchet up. Right, now what we're going to need, I'm going to need these out. They do come out quite easy. You can use some sprue cutters or some snips or something like that if you feel like it's needed, but I'm just going to twist them out at the moment and have a look. I've got a little burr on it, so I'm just going to file that off. Just here, see it there? So I'm just going to give that a quick file. It's quite hard to hold it and do because it's so small. There we go. In there, just like that. I'll just tidy up the second one as well, make sure that's fine. Yeah, there we go, that one wasn't too bad. So we'll do exactly the same with these. We're going to be bringing in our head, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a dollop of glue. There's 2 little tiny pins on here. We're going to be putting a dollop of glue just on them. So let's get some glue on these pins here and get these in. So that's the first one. Oh, just dropped it straight through. Yeah, that's the one. And stick it in. Push it in place. Does clip in quite nicely. So that's the first one in. Next we're going to do exactly the same but for the opposite side. Let's do it again. So let's get some glue on that. Same again on both pins. And oh, so small. I keep dropping them. So, yeah, let's get them in. I might have to retouch that up with glue, that one. Yeah, I'm going to have to, I think. And now the glue's taking it. So that's that one in. So that is them two in. That's what they look like, one either side. Very nice. I'll put that to the side for now. Now we're going to need to bring in our top of our head. What it wants us to do is take these, the fatter ones, and just test fit them in. If it's lovely in there, if it's lovely in there, because if they don't fit, they want us to file this out and make sure it fits. Mine fits lovely, so I'm going to continue, and it wants us to glue the inside of here, because we're going to be putting these bits in. These are going to be magnets, so we can easily put our back on and off. And yeah, sort of like a quick release thing. So let's put the first one in. Lovely, fits lovely in there. And the second one, make sure the bigger ones go in the top and the smaller ones in the bottom, otherwise they ain't going to fit very well. So push that one in, just like that, and that's how the two top ones should look like. Now you can do exactly the same with the bottom ones, just down here. So we'll do this one down here first. Get a big dollop of glue just in there. I am putting quite a bit of glue in these because I don't want the magnet on the opposite side to pull this magnet out. So I'm going to make sure they are going to stay in and give it a good push, just like that. And the next one. I think this is the last bit of glue we need for this issue, so don't need that anymore. Let's push this in, just like that. Give that a sec, and that is that bit done. Yeah, very nice. So our next piece, what we have to do is we're going to be bringing in our head. Now I've put my wires the same way they've got them. The way they've got the eye motor coming on the left, along with the left eye, and we've got the jaw motor and the left and the right eye coming on the right hand side. So that's the way I've got them. So now we're going to take our head, slide it on, just like that. Make sure you don't catch any of the wires. And we're going to be taking our two screws, and these can go here and here. So let's get our screw ready. And we've got a screwdriver ready. There we go. So that's the first screw. Screw it just in here. And this is going to attach the top of our head to everything. Alright, let's get this in. Just drop that straight in there. That's what you don't want to do. Let's get this in. Let's now we're doing the opposite side. Just like that. And that is all we've got to do in this issue. That's what you should be left up with, and this is looking very nice and solid at the moment. And we're going to be working on the faceplate and this again next week. We can test fit our faceplate. Slides on nicely, and that's how it's going to look. So next week, I'll show you now what's coming next week. We're getting these little pieces here. These are going to be connecting up here, down here, and they're going to be going on the face. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, these little bits here. These two pipes here on both sides. That looks like them. I'm not sure what this piece is. I think that's probably going to be a bit for here, but on the shoulder maybe. I don't know what that could be. So yeah. So a test fit of our shoulder. I do have this shoulder here somewhere. Yeah, so like on here we've got this round piece here. On the back it's quite plain, so I think this piece here is maybe going on here. I don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. I may be wrong. I've been wrong before. So this is going to be sitting, going to go in there somehow, I think. Yeah. And that's going to be our ratchet joint for our shoulder. Very nice. Cool. Yeah, so that's it for this week. Join me next week issue should be up next Wednesday. Issue 13 of Build a DeLorean will be out on Monday, so make sure you tune in for that. If you haven't already, please like, comment and subscribe and hit that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time.